Hello my friends, welcome to Tektronix. This is Uncle Misha and today we have more stuff. So what do we got? From one gentleman who actually looks like wrapping up his electronic hobby, I got bits and pieces, electronic bits and pieces. And today I'm gonna quickly take a look. What do we got here? Those are just Amazon boxes. He put stuff and maybe we can talk about them. Maybe there is something interesting we have to discuss. So let's stay with me and let's see what kind of goodies we got in these boxes. So we have two boxes. I'm gonna keep just one and then second one is heavy. Alright. Okay, so first one, it says here Tektronix stuff. So what we got a whole bunch of Tektronix scope probes. So we have also some manuals here. Let me see what kind of manuals do we got. Oh, those official manuals? Looks like they are. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So we have official Tektronix manuals for the scope probe. It's kind of nice to see. Wow, it's a bit, because it's folded, it's not really. Nice. Maintenance. Setup. What is this? Typical voltage derating with frequency curve. That's nice. This probably has a lot of theory which you would like to read actually to understand how the probe works. And here is, what's the difference between those two? P6106 and 6063. What are the specs for this guy? November 79. Ooh. So bandwidth at 1x 12 MHz and 10x 200 MHz. Okay, this is good to have because I don't think I have a 200 MHz capable scope probes. Interesting. It also depends on the length. So it's longer the wire, obviously, the worse the bandwidth. Okay. Here is more information and stuff like that. This is how it's obviously very old school probes, but I mean, it doesn't matter. Oh, you can replace the probe tip removal and replacement. This is very good because I'll show you. Very nice. No, this is very good. So this theory stuff is very good business. Very good. I'll put it somewhere here in the meantime. Okay, so what do we have also here? Oh, cool. Looks like this is another something with that data sheet. Logic probe. This is Tektronix logic probe. Active probe which provides a visual indication of the state of logic circuits, DTL and DTL systems. Oh, cool. Oh, this is very basic. It's not the theory of operation. Okay, need to look into it a little bit more. Doesn't have schematic. Okay, but so what is the logic probe? Active. How do you power this thing up? Maybe this is to power it up. Yeah, we need to look into it, but looks like you have a ability to store. Yeah, so I need to definitely look into this because I'm really curious, but I don't know much about logic probes. So it's probably a very crude option of a like a logic analyzer. You know, this is the logic probe. Very cool. I'm gonna look into it and we probably make a little video about how the logic probe works. I don't know if I need it per se, but it's really good to have a logic probe with its own data sheet only, looks like. Now, curious to know what's the bandwidth of this probe. What else do we have? We have a whole bunch of spare parts. Yikes. Logic probe indication for, oh, this is actually from here. Yeah, I think this is from here. Some kind of replacement screen for oscilloscope. Oh, curious. And whole bunch of spare parts. Oh yeah, this is to tweak. Oh, actually, this could be very cool to tweak some potentiometers in the cassette decks, because that's actually for that. Lots of fuses. I don't know what are these. Really hard to see. Whatever. And stuff like that. What is that? Wow, that's interesting. Oh, it's a grounding terminal. That's pretty cool. That's good to have. 4mm. Alright. Lot. I'm not sure if there are any like what is that? Look at that. Oh, this is angled. I'm curious, what's this for? This is for oscilloscope probe, or this is... Anyways, we have tons of spare parts. Okay, we will figure out this later. Hooks, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Let's go back in. I'm not sure what kind of oscilloscope this screen for, but I have two Tektronix oscilloscope, analog Tektronix oscilloscopes, and which we probably would have, actually we're thinking to make a video about them because I never featured them anywhere else. So what are these guys? What's the 6063? So this one is 200. Okay, what is the bandwidth of this guy? I want to see what the bandwidth is. Attenuation. It's 200. So this one is gonna handle 225 meters. All three probes are usable on oscilloscope with bandwidth up to 350 MHz, where 1 meter probe must be used. System bandwidth typically be 300. So 6106 looks like we're gonna be able to handle up to 300. But that's still good. So this guy 6063 up to 200 MHz. Not like I'd really need that, but oh, these guys have broken tips. What? Okay, so maybe some repair work on these. Okay, this is empty. You can put some spare parts in here. So that's annoying. So what is this? USB-C cable. Alright, that's good to have. Actually, I need to charge my phone. Let me see if it's working. Just looks like it's not USB 3, just a cable. But it's pretty long and braided, which is I think it's busted. No, it is. No, it's actually going. Okay, fine. Charging, not charging. Okay, let it charge. Okay, more probes. Yeah, it's like a mess. So this is like, it has a tip. It has a little button here. I'm curious what is this about. Pim, 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 pim. Have to see. And this guy is... I have no idea what... Oh, it's a bit chewed up. So this guy, a bit chewed up. But it has the 6105. 6105. I have no idea what is that. So this is 6105. Okay, just drop it. Just this one. Oh my god, it's a mess. Okay, let's grab this one. What is this one? This one looks like a bit more modern. Doesn't say. 6062. 6063, I think. Okay, well, I need to kind of search, and it has broken tip as well. Yikes! It looks like it's a bunch of like miscellaneous bits and pieces with some broken But still, I mean, this is probably repairable. Okay, this one does not have anything broken, and this one is unknown 6063. So this one, oh, here's I think there is a button here or switch. So switch is lost. No, switch is here. Okay, so I'm not really sure if this is all operational even. Like, I'm so happy about it, but I don't even know. It's like, looks like just some random bits and pieces all over the shop. Oh yeah, this one even has the ground, has tip. I'm not sure this is like 10x probe, or this is just, yikes, what a mess. Yeah, it is 10x probe, at least those two are 10x probes, they are 61 of 6s. Oh yeah, okay. So 61 of 6s, here we are. So this is the high frequency guys, but they are 10x probe, that's why they're high frequency. Okay, so we have two of these, 61 of 6s, which is kind of cool. And they are not broken, like at least, well, I mean, I have to test them all, but at least this one has tips and protected by this guy, by this like a clamp, and this 61 of 6s. Alright, I have plenty of probes now. Yeah, and there is some another bits and pieces. What is this? Some kind of little mammal. Alligator clip, ground lead, 2 length supplied. Use the shortest as possible, of course, to minimize ringing. Probes holder. I actually 3D printed something for my own use. And what the hell are these USB 3 flash drives? Curious. What are they? And what are they doing here? Okay, I'm gonna take a look at them. It's completely different thing. Just I didn't know they are here. I'm not sure if they are even operational. Okay, that's in here. And one DuPont jumper. So 2 lengths of the very chewed up grounding probes. Grounding clips. Or ground clips actually. Okay, so this is all what we have here. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. So obviously I need to fix like some of them, like these guys for example. I'm not sure where we're gonna get the tips, because I thought tips are somewhere here, but looks like I have to like get them from somewhere. Plus I have a lot of probes now, so yeah, that's a lot of work to fix them all, but it's good to have, because I have, again I said, I have 2 4-channel Tektronix scopes, so yeah. Oh my god. And they use like some kind of generic Chinesium probe, so I mean, it's good to have their original probe. So this stuff, let's see what we have here. Yeah, as you see, there is a lot of heavy gear here. So first of all, a tiny box, it says multi-turn potentiometers. Oh, cool! What are those? Nice! But they are obviously incompatible with what I have. Those are paste soldering tips. Are they all different? The same kind. Looks like they are the same kind. This is amazing! But the only thing is I have no use for them because I don't have paste soldering iron. So yeah, looks like they are all the same. Paste Jane one. Chisel tip. Like all of them the same, yeah. Tip 007 chisel STD. So I have like whole bunch of paste chisel tips, but obviously I don't have paste station, but maybe I have to look for used one now. because this is sometimes these guys can cost, like they can be expensive. So this is good to have, but like not in my case, just have no use because I use Hako T12 cartridges. So what do we have here? This looks like some kind of divider. Yeah. With multi-turn, some cool, sexy action multi-turn potentiometers. So 100 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, 100 ohms. Interesting. So this is input and output, and you can actually do very interesting resistances. And these guys are 5%. They are 5% potentiometers. Not sure about this guy, which is... doesn't say. Precision. Oh, okay. 5%. So for potentiometers, 5% is really good, and these are multi-turn potentiometers. So we have little kind of divider box here. Yeah. So, oh ho ho! What are these? These are these are sexy. No way. Oh, it's a lock. Look at that. It's the same 500 ohm, 5%. Very good. Oh my god, I have to show you close up. Look at that. So this is crazy. You see that? It counting turns. I wonder from what kind of gear this was pulled, because this clearly from some sort of, I don't know, precision equipment. Nice. And there is a lock. If you lock it, it's not turning. So you're like you for example need 5.5, right? You do oh cool, but where is the reference? Oh, okay, here's the reference. So this is 5.5, right? 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, and then 6. Nice. These are super cool. I'm sure why would I use it? Where would I be using them for? Or what I'm gonna be using for? So this is like looks like oscilloscope thingy. Look like this is like a Tektronix coloring. So this is like certainly 2.5 kilo ohm, 5%. This is clearly Tektronix. Or more of these thingies. Germany, it says made in West Germany. Oh, look at this. There's not many, like a lot of these things are here. No, this is crooked, broken. Where is this made? Made in Japan. This is made in Japan. Nice. These are super amazing. Oh, there's a few more of the same sort of potentiometers. These are 10 kilo ohm precision potentiometers. 10. Oh, it's like all of them are 10K. Here. 10K, 5%. Pretty cool. Oh, it actually says here 10K. So yeah, the gentleman clearly marked his stuff. So what do we have? More potentiometers. Here are 50K and 100K. So this is hard to say. 50K. Wow, very nice action here. Cool. Looks like we have more, obviously, of different kind of potentiometers. This is 1K potentiometer, 6 of them. I'll take this beefy one. Burns, probably some. This one is 10%, not 5%, not precision one, but very nice action here. Wow, very smooth. Like, look at this big guy. What's this? 1 kilo and 5% is precision. Another. Wow, look at this lock. Oh, it's broken. Ay. Somehow it detached. Anyways. Cool, this is looking amazing. Again, not that I really need them, I have no need. 22.5. Oh, this is another, like, different kinds. I'm not sure if this is like broken or something. Oh, it's just different kinds of them. This one is cool. It's like made of all of plastic, so interesting. 5K, 5%, nice. And the last bag, oh, it has like orangey one. Okay, let's see what orangey is. 2 kilo ohm. This is actually brand new amphenol. This is 2 kilo ohm. 5% to this precision enough. Barbados, yeah. 2 kilo ohm, 5%. They are almost the same form factor. Okay, these are clearly kind of interchangeable, but this guy is not, because for some reason they decided to shift these two, yeah, in relation to each other. It's kind of weird. Helipod. It doesn't say. 2K. That's it. Doesn't say the precision. Weird noises. This is nice. This is amazing, but like I don't really have immediate need for all of these. But this is kind of cool. This divider may be useful if I need to like come up with some resistances for some testing purposes. Okay, and yeah, this one gonna stay in here because this is crazy. So this is selection of whole bunch of power transistors and power diodes. So it's like this is like Motorola jazz. I'm not gonna go into depth to see what are they, but looks like we have, I'm not sure what are those diodes, but they are IN 3899 and transistors are 2N5301 with the beefy aluminum heatsink. So yeah, just a heatsink. Oh, oh wow, it's the biggest heatsink I ever owned. So now I have this like massive, I think it's aluminium, but it's actually pretty massive hunk of aluminium of a heatsink. I'm sure what I'm gonna do with it and why I need it. But yeah, it's crazy. It's like you can do workout with it. It is clearly aluminium, just very heavy. This is probably a case or heatsink, depends, but you can use it either way. Not again. I can 3D print anything I want as far as cases go. There's lots of Motorola MC78 CK transistor. Again, I can't really say anything from top of my head. This is Triac Thyristor, really hard to say. 16RC100. Another one of those Motorola's, and look at this, 4 diodes. Oh no, one of them is not a diode. Again, Triac Thyristor, really hard to say. Motorola 2N5A2 and 3. It's kind of sad that this is like, it would be nice to have this 4 diode. Who knows, maybe they are fast switching diodes and we would have like a quite beefy bridge rectifier. But no, yeah, it's like they are different. We have 4, 5, 6. I don't know what this A1F stands for. AA1F. It's all different transistors. No, that's not different. It's Motorola M11032. Yeah, and there are someone actually chewed legs of the transistor from Texas Instrument TIP35A. Maybe it's not a transistor, but could be the 2 diodes in pairs. But 4 of these Motorola's. That's cool. Fairchild, I think, UA78P05SC. What the hell is this? There's actually some whole bunch of stuff in there. So like capacitors, are those tantalums or what are these? They're just regular ceramic. No, there is one diode over there, a few resistors. Nice, but yeah. What is this? That's insulator. Another one of those beefy, super beefy heat sinks. Oh, now I understand where this came from. Okay, just like this. Yeah. Okay. 2M3055, so yeah. So 2 more of the diode and 2 small diodes right here. That's cool. And very interesting thing I never seen before, it's a heat pad. 120 volt, 950 watts. It's like a... Oh, look at this tube. It was actually warming up some water or something? It's crazy. It's probably to have controlled environment. So I think I was told that this gear came from some sort of test equipment. So potentially this is all like some kind of beefy power diodes and transistors just to drive something. Yeah, but I mean, I have a whole box of heatsinks of my own, and I kind of, not that I can really collect heatsinks, but heatsinks is good to have. Oh my god, sorry guys for that noise. If you have like, if you do electronic projects and you need like, you know, you need to make an amplifier or something, the heatsinks are really good because they are expensive to buy, but at the same time they are hard to replace. So you can't just, you know, look, you can't, like, look at this. This clearly for what's the format of the transistors? Like for this sort of transistors, right? Looks like they were here, like right here. So these potentiometers, we just wanted to say, these are the sexiest potentiometers I've ever seen. They're so smooth and so buttery. I love them. Obviously, what they're gonna do with all this is gonna just remove all power elements. They're gonna test them to see if they are still okay. If they're not okay, I'm gonna throw them away. Heatsink's gonna go in separate box. Yeah, because I'm not gonna keep it like this. This is like too crazy. It's take too much time and too much space. So, but I think, you know, what we got here is pretty awesome. The only thing is, I will not try to acquire a whole lot of crap just to keep it around, right? So I'm gonna see what kind of transistors are these. Are they just, you know, power transistors, or they are fast switching transistors and things like that, or fast switching diodes, just to see if they I need them. If I don't need them, I'm gonna like dispose them one way or another. And same with heatsinks. The some of them are too big for my projects. I'm not gonna use like heatsink for like 6 transistors. Yeah. All right, so I think I'm gonna wrap up. I think we have a amazing kind of motherload of electronic components which I still have to sort through, as on my previous box I showed you, because it's a lot of stuff. Anyways, guys, well, thank you for watching. I think that was kind of interesting. The obviously highlight of all these are the Tektronix probes and multi-turn potentiometers, which are amazing. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. This is just like kind of more entertaining video without any information load, just for giggles. If you have anything to comment about it, please go ahead. It'll be interesting to hear your opinion about these all electronic components I got here, Tektronix probes, how good they are, and things like that. Stay tuned, stay safe, and ciao.